welcome to MUGSHOT by Zeba. So today I'm going to be reviewing this cream called Ivy Nano, which as you can clearly see has been super duper loved. I'm almost done with it. I have just like one use left, so I figured might as well make a video of it because God knows how long how long it'll take for me to get my next bottle. So I personally don't believe in priming your skin with like the stereotypical primers that you get out there. I believe if you prep anybody's skin with the right kind of moisturizers, that is more than enough for your makeup to stick on and look fabulous all day long and all night long some cases. Okay, so I usually use like a combination of like 2 to 3 creams. But ever since I've started using this cream, like guys, I cannot tell you how fabulous it is. Like look at my skin now. It's really hot. Like I need to scoop it out. It's difficult to do that with like long nails. Man.
One eternity later.
So I've basically scraped this off from the bottom of the bottle, and it's just about all you need for your face. And oh my god, it feels so good. It has a really thick and creamy consistency, and why I love this skin is because most moisturizers, when you apply them, they feel like so amazing and your skin feels baby soft. But with this, like with this moisturizer, why I love it so much is because it doesn't dry up after like a few hours or a few minutes. Like with other moisturizers, when you apply it, it just after a while, like your skin gets dry again. I have really dry skin, and it really dries out. Oh man, I wish you could feel my skin right now. It's so tacky. I love it. I love my skin, or like my client's skins, and also like, sorry to interrupt, but like you wipe it off in your hands, like it's made a super big difference to my hands and my skin. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and it has made the world of a difference to my skin. Like my skin glows now. I haven't had a breakout in 2 months, and that is like crazy because usually, you know, during the time of the month I tend to break out, but this cream has magic in it. So ideally this cream was designed to be used as a treatment cream post getting like a laser therapy or fillers on your face, or you know, other skin treatments. But when I used it, I realized like just this cream, nothing else, just this cream on my face, on my client's face, really helped the makeup look more fresh, more dewy, more natural, and last a lot longer. Because the tackiness that you feel on your skin after you apply it, well, the tackiness goes after some time, but like your skin continues to feel hydrated. And what that does with makeup is it helps the makeup latch onto your skin better and just stay. The whole combination of like the makeup and the cream and everything like really helps the makeup stay on all day long while looking fresh and dewy. I find that when I use this cream as compared to other creams, my makeup doesn't crease under the eyes because of like all the fine lines and everything. It almost fills them up and like plumps your skin, gives it like that youthful glow. It's just amazing. Like you guys have to try it. So ever since I've started using this cream, like I said, it's been 2 months since I've been using it, and I have noticed a visible difference. I mean, I wish I'd done like before and after shots, but like I just thought it would be like any other moisturizer. But I got like super pumped when I heard there's like collagen in it, and I was like, ugh, because I've been taking like I've been drinking collagen, but like to apply it on my face, I was like, oh, let's try it. But it's really made a difference. It's helped reduce my dark circles. Trust me, this will be worse than this. And this is also because I haven't slept in 3 nights properly. But yeah, it's helped reduce my dark circles and my fine lines. It's like I said before, it's like plumped my skin up. I really love it. So like for those of you watching this going like, oh, but I don't do makeup, I don't need the moisturizer. it is super important to moisturize your face even if you're not doing makeup. Like, it is very important, and I didn't realize the importance of this until like a few years back, because I just used like any body lotion, any cream, like just on my face. Like, I just didn't care. But it is very, very, very important that you start like earlier the better. Earlier the better. Like, you could be like, oh, but I'm just a teenager now, I don't need it. Or I'm just in my early 20s now, I don't need it. You do. Or you could be like, oh, but my skin's already wrinkly, I'm like in my 40s or 50s. You do need it. Trust me, whatever age you're at, your skin needs hydration. It is very, very, very important. You need to find the right kind of moisturizer to use on your face for your skin type. And that's another amazing thing about this cream. You can have any skin type and still use it, and it works. You can have oily skin, dry skin, normal to combination, or just normal skin, and you can still use this cream and it's going to work fabulously on you. For those of you with oily skin who feel like you don't need a moisturizer because it's just going to make your skin more oily, that's not true. Your skin also needs to be taken care of. It needs proper hydration, proper moisturizing, and that you're going to get from this little tub. No, but seriously, go ahead, give this cream a try, and I promise you're going to love it. For all those of you who've either been following me for a while or who know me, you guys know how much I love the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and the Shehnaz Hussain Shah Life Plus or Max Strobe Cream for prepping the skin. However, thanks Twain. However, this cream has literally changed my life. Like, I love it, and I've ordered for 2 more tubs because I want to keep one for my clients and keep one for myself. It is that good. Like, you have to try it to believe it. Okay, so for all those of you who would like to buy this cream, which I seriously recommend, you must. Like, you have to try it. Like, you just have to try it. Whomever I've applied this on, they've literally bought it up immediately. So if you'd like to try it as well, you can check out the link in the description box below, or you could just DM me and I'll give you all the details and have it sent to you. Alright, happy moisturizing! That was a creepy smile. Okay, bye.